So hey guys, and welcome back to Born Traveller. Right, in this video I'm going to be testing out the Forclaz Ultralight Trekking Toiletry Bag. So this bag is just a small ultralight toiletry bag, obviously sold by Decathlon for $7.99, which is around $10 US. And I would imagine in most countries that's what it's going to be, around 10 US. The bag itself doesn't weigh a lot at all. It actually weighs 43 grams, which for a toiletry bag actually is pretty light. I don't think you're really going to get much lighter than this. I have to say straight away, it's not the biggest toiletry bag in the world. If you're a girl, probably not best for you. There is another one they do at Decathlon. I'll show you a picture of it now, which is slightly more expensive, much larger. I think this is just for like people who are minimalists. So the dimensions of it are unfolded 18 centimeters by 26 by 1, and then folded it's 18 centimeters by 8 centimeters by 3. As you can see with the strap straight away, you can actually like tighten it and pull it. So it basically, the more you put in it, the bigger it's going to be. So as you can see, this is the bag when it's unfolded. This is full of my toiletries. I'm going to do a separate video what's actually in my toiletry bag, but I'm just going to do a quick review on the actual bag itself. It's got basically 3 compartments, all zippered. The lower bag is probably twice the size of these 2 top compartments. So as you can see, there's 3 main compartments. The bottom compartment is the biggest one. I'll keep all your bulky items in here. The bottles, basically like your hair wax, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, and maybe soap. Mid compartment, I would actually recommend probably putting your shaver in there. Even if you got an electric one, that would probably fit nicely in there as long as it's not too bulky. And then the top compartment is just for miscellaneous, like your nail clippers, any kind of small things, but they've got to be pretty flat. Overall, the bag feels very well designed. These zips are pretty standard on most Decathlon stuff, and I have to say I've used a lot of these zips on different products, and I have to say I've never had a problem with one breaking. So in terms of durability, I think this is pretty good. It also actually has a hook at the top where you can hang it from, which obviously is always handy in bathrooms. You might want to buy a little like hook or a little plastic hook as well that you could attach that to. So overall, this is a brilliant little bag. I think it's designed mainly for carry-on. It's ultra lightweight, 43 grams. I don't think as a man you need anything bigger. If you're going for bigger, bulkier, then probably really your bag's going to have to go in the check-in luggage. You're definitely not going to be able to use it as carry-on because the bottles will be too big. All the bottles I use are under 100 ml. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's just a short video about my toiletry bag. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you next time.